Welcome back, ghouls and goblins. If you're looking to transform your home into a haunted hideaway this Halloween, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring wooden Halloween decoration ideas from eerie yard displays to creepy indoor accents. Wood is the perfect medium for Halloween decor. It is sturdy, reusable, and it can be carved, burned, painted, or assembled into spooky shapes. Plus, you can often make these projects from scrap wood or old pallets lying around. So grab your sauce, sandpaper, and maybe even a little fake blood. Because it is time to bring some prideful fun to your Halloween setup. Let's start with why wood works so well for Halloween decor. Durability. Unlike cardboard or flimsy plastic, wooden decorations hold up year after year, indoors or outdoors. Texture. The natural grain and weathered look of wood instantly adds a rustic, creepy vibe, perfect for a haunted aesthetic. Customization. You can cut, paint, burn, or carve wood into almost any shape. Eco-friendly. Reusing scrap wood or pallets means less waste and more creativity. In short, wooden decor looks authentic and spooky without breaking the bank. Let's start outside, where trick-or-treaters will first see your handiwork. Wooden tombstones. Cut plywood or pallets into tombstone shapes. Paint them gray, stencil eerie epitaphs like "Here lies Jack-o'-lantern," and weather them with black paint for an aged look. Coffin props. Build a simple wooden coffin from scrap boards. Leave the lid slightly ajar. Add skeleton hands peeking out, and boom, you have got a centerpiece for your haunted yard. Creepy wooden signs. Rough planks make perfect haunted house signs. Beware, enter at your own risk, or witch parking only. Use jagged fonts, dripping paint, and mount them on crooked stakes. Ghost or pumpkin cutouts. Trace shapes onto plywood, cut them out, and paint them. Line your walkway with glowing wood pumpkins or shadowy ghosts lit from behind with spotlights. Your porch sets the stage for a spooky welcome. Wooden jack-o'-lanterns. Instead of carving real pumpkins, build boxy wooden pumpkins. Cut faces into the panels, drop a light inside, and they will glow just like the real thing. Witch's broom stand. Make a wooden stand shaped like a broom. Hang brooms, hats, or lanterns for a wishy entryway display. Spooky pallet backdrop. Stand an old pallet upright, paint it black or gray, and use it as a backdrop for skeleton, bats, or cobwebs. Instead, haunted photo booth for guests. Candle lanterns. Drill holes into small wooden boxes or log slices to create lanterns. Add LED candles inside for a flickering eerie effect. Now let's move inside for that haunted house atmosphere. Many wooden haunted houses. Build small wooden houses, paint them black, add crooked windows, and perch them on shelves or mantels. Bat silhouettes. Cut bed shapes from thin wood and hang them from the ceiling with fishing line for a swarm effect. Skeleton art panels. Use wood planks as canvases. Paint skeletons, skulls, or ravens and lean them against the wall. Candle holders. Scrap wood blocks drilled to fit tall candles. Paint them black and let fake wax drip run down for Gothic charm. Not everything has to be nightmareful. Wooden decorations can also be playful. Pumpkin patch signs. Make a rustic sign that says "Welcome to the pumpkin patch" for family photos. Wooden candy corn blocks. Paint triangular scraps in orange, yellow, and white. Line them up as cute decorations. Halloween countdown calendar. A wooden board with numbered slots or hooks so kids can count down to the days until Halloween. Cartoon characters. Think friendly ghosts, smiling pumpkins, or goofy monsters made from painted planks. These are great if you want a festive vibe without scarring little ones. The way you finish your wooden decorations will make or break this spooky vibe. Make sure to de-stress by sanding the edges evenly. Spotlights, string lights, or hidden LEDs make wood come alive at night. Pair wooden tombstones with fake cobwebs. Black and orange are classics, but don't underestimate eerie purples, greens, or blood red accents. And there you have it, Halloween wooden decoration ideas to turn your home into the spookiest spot on the block. So until next time, happy decorating!